off right now. I tell the blend masters, my people them all over the world. Alright, so the food, this is I keep telling people Jamaica is a different vibe, right? They don't look at the beautiful girl from Jamaica right here.
I'm not from Jamaica.
She's from Jamaica.
No, I'm not.
You're from Jamaica.
No,
Your daddy from Jamaica, which means you're from Jamaica.
No,
There's the red stripe.
That means I'm halfway.
There's the beautiful girl.
I'm not
There's the
from
lobster salad, and this is the Jamaican fried dumpling, callaloo. And there's the beach. This is what I try to tell the people in the world. Say, look, and there are the tourists. And right over there is the bar. Rondie always bring her to the places. I'll be the greatest tour guide in the world. Alright, so now you're out to work in Jamaica now. You contact Travels Beach Resort and you can get the all-inclusive there. Doesn't matter. You spend $25 from the actual airport. You take a jut-off bus and it drops you right at Travels. 25 bucks. You chill out on the 7-mile stretch beach. You go to Rick's Cafe, you dive off there, and you come over to Xtabi or Rockhouse and you eat your dinners and your lunch there every day. Just take a taxi, or better yet, rent a little car. And there's a rental car place nearby, walking distance. And if you have kids, just bring them to Cool Runnings Waterpark. So this is the vibe in Jamaica, Negril. Supremely beautiful and thing. And if you like to dive off, just go and dive off. Remember the food cool, everything airy, and look at the beautiful girl. She come from Jamaica.
No, I don't.
You get your water thing. You
York.
came from Jamaica.
No,
You came. Your daddy from Jamaica. You from Jamaica.
I'm
And then you
quarter
just
from-
definitely go to the bar and live up yourself. Rondie again
I'm an eighth.
for Jamaica. I love Jamaica. Me love Jamaica more than anybody else in the world. Love, respect, honor.